grab the long shot stack. Might get some fire on the video now. Leave me alone! Come on, don't fail me. Don't fail me now. I can't do this shit. That's how you do it.
One funny thing about the new Bronco is inside the front fender well, if you look really close, it says, "Lift me, baby." All right, challenge accepted. Well, the Bronco turned out pretty good. The Vossen wheels look amazing on it. 22x12s. For some reason, they look like 24s to me. They're super big. Tell me what you think about the Bronco, if we should start doing more. It's really built like a Tahoe, so I mean, I could put one of these things on, 28s or 30s if you really wanted to. There's enough lift out there for it now, so let me know in the comments what you think. They have 3 different offsets from Vossen on these wheels. 22x12s. Was the ultra deep lip, very, very deep concave, awesome look, gloss black, really matches well with everything. Did the 3.5-inch rough country lift, just a spacer lift for the springs. It's a good entry-level lift kit and it rides amazing. If you're trying to do off-roading or rock crawling or anything like that, there's other lift kits out there that have more parts available, for the angles and the control arms and things. This is a good all-around lift kit though. It uses a spring spacer on the top and then it uses a control arm. Nitto tires as usual, 35, 12, 50, 22. This is the Nitto Ridge Grappler. It's kind of the best riding all-terrain tire really we have, and gets good mileage and it's really comfortable. Quiet too. Didn't do too much of a video on this truck, but I wanted to let you know, 2020 GMC 2500. Did some 22x10 KG1 tortures with 35, 12, 50, 22 Nitto Ridge Grapplers. If you do it with a 4-inch Cognito lift, there's literally minor trimming. Nothing on the back, a little bit on the front valence, but the truck does not rub other than that. It's a good setup, daily driver setup.